In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix emails not showing up in your Gmail inbox. This happens from time to time, and it can be incredibly frustrating when you're missing out on important messages. But don't worry, we'll walk through a few simple steps to make sure everything is working smoothly. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're there, you'll want to take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see an icon that looks like a gear, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon gives you access to various configurations that control how your Gmail behaves, and it's the first step to resolving our issue. Once you've clicked on the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to scroll down through this menu until you find something that says inbox type. This option helps organize your inbox according to different preferences, so it's crucial to make sure it's set properly. After locating the inbox type section, you'll see a few different options from which you can choose. Here, you'll need to click specifically on default. Selecting this option ensures that your emails are sorted in the most straightforward manner and prevents them from being inadvertently filed away in separate categories. Now, beneath the default option, you'll find a button labeled Customize. Click on this. This button is key because it allows you to tailor how your inbox is organized. You'll see various tabs like Social, Promotions, Updates, and more. For the purpose of streamlining your email visibility, uncheck all these boxes except for Primary. By leaving Primary checked, you're ensuring that all incoming general emails will be visible right away, reducing the chance of them being misplaced in secondary tabs. Once you've made these adjustments, the next step is to confirm your changes. Find the Save button and click on it. This action will guarantee that all of the modifications you've made are registered by your Gmail account, and it can often rectify any lingering issues with missing emails. If you've completed these steps and still find that emails aren't appearing, don't fret, there's one more thing you can try. On the left hand side of your Gmail window, you might notice an option labelled More. Clicking on this will expand a menu, revealing additional labels and folders. Among these expanded options, you'll find All Mail. Click on it to view a complete list of emails you've received regardless of how they're categorized. This allows you to confirm whether any messages have been inadvertently siphoned away from your primary inbox. And there you have it, a simple yet effective process to ensure your important emails are right where you can see them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps restore your Gmail to its full functionality.